Now we are going to see how can we claim TDS other than salary. So for that we need to check the schedule TDS to details of tax deducted at source from income other than salary as per form 16A issued by deductor. If suppose if we have invested in bank FD, after maturity they will credit the interest plus principal. That interest is taxable. For that interest, that bank would have deducted 10% TDS and they would have paid on behalf of us to the Income Tax Department of India. So we need to claim this TDS while filing the income tax return. If suppose if we forgot to claim the TDS amount here, then we would have paid more tax than the required one. So that's important. So every time whenever you file the income tax returns, you need to cross check whether you have entered all the TDS, whether you have to cross check whether you have claimed all the TDS forms. So for claiming this, you need to use form 26AS as a reference one. We have already seen how to claim TDS for the salary part. Similarly, for non-salary part, we can claim it. So in this thing, it will be clearly shown the bank name, bank PAN number, bank TAN number, and then total interest credited, and then total amount credited, and then total tax deducted. So we need to fill that information. In this part. So in this information, we need to fill that information in this schedule TDS. So if you are filing in online mode, that data would be automatically populated. If you are filing in offline mode, then this data wouldn't be automatically populated. So in any case, we need to cross verify. If the information was automatically populated, then we need to cross verify this information with the form 26AS information. If there are some mismatches, then you need to edit the information. So that's it about claiming TDS 2.